Guys, I'm trying to tell you, I am the realest of real channels that is realness out there. I don't know if that sentence made sense, but I'm trying to tell you that I keep it real here on this channel. Welcome to the gutted event. You got my Jeep behind me right there. This is actually probably going to be the last trip that I take with the Jeep, going to start converting the van as soon as I get back. I'm going to show you guys just the grounds here for a second. These are my teammates here, Brandon and Sarah. Brandon's on the team, but Sarah's his wife. Linnea's back there. Rented that big rig for two of my teammates, Dan and Sam, my Jeep, Steffi Lee, and then Nick is somewhere around here, but he is also crashing inside of that big rig. There's Linnea. She's walking her dog over there. Good morning. Let's go say hi to Linnea real quick. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Linnea.
Hi.
You're on camera.
Oh, great. I just woke up.
I know. All right, let me I have a question for you.
Okay.
How were you one of the first to sleep, and yet you're like not awake before me, Dan, Sam, and Nick?
Wait, is everybody awake?
Yeah. The four of us that went to sleep the latest are awake the first.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go over to the grounds and go see them, show them off, show the people watching what's going on before everybody else gets up and gets cray-cray.
All right, I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Come on, Akila. Come on, girl.
I got my coffee,
Yeah,
ready to go. Oh, this is the rest of the grounds. You know, we got a couple members of the RV team. We got a couple members of the bus team. Needless to say, we are good to go. So let's walk over to the tent, which is over there. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on behind the scenes. This is actually day 0. Day 1 starts tomorrow. And we have 5 days to build a van. And then we have another team building an RV. And we have another team building schoolie. So schoolie versus RV versus van, 5 days to build it all. We've been planning it for about 6 to 8 weeks now with our team, 7 members per team. Whew, here we go. All right, guys, I don't know exactly what I can show in regards to production here. I'm waiting for Wes, which is the coordinator of the event, but I got Nick here, which is my teammate. Exploration Vans, technically the only professional builder on the van building team. We are a band of misfits put together, and he's our marine electrician, which helps out quite a bit. It's good to have a guy like Nick on the team. He's actually the one that put in the order for all the electrical to make sure that we're gonna do it right. Container full of wood and tools, which if I can show, I'll show you in a minute. And then we have, and again, another container full of product. If I can show you, that's where I'll do. And this is our VIP 10 section for us, the competitors, as well as family members to come in here and kind of get away from the crowd. So not only is this a build-off event, it's also a gathering. So I think we've got, what, 300-400 people coming? Yeah, 300-400 people coming, and they're gonna be able to actually watch the build-off happen live. Filming this to put it out onto the media, internet, the World Wide Web, the WWW. Nick and I went to go check out my boy Shane's van. He was in a vlog a little while ago, and he was like kind of mid-build here. Dude, you got this. I'm gonna do it real quick though. Pocket door.
Pocket door.
Beautiful tiled shower. Look at this, man.
Shower, another door. Shower's even got a window.
That's gonna. What? Dude, check out this view, by the way, before we go any further here. Look at this. Shane parked away from everybody else at the at the event, and very smartly. So he wakes up to this for the next 6 days. Good for you, buddy. For people that want to know, what's the type of wood that you use here against your accent wall?
Blue pine, the
Blue
Beetle
pine.
Kill.
Beetle Kill, blue pine, beautiful. You got your kitchen, beautiful. Refrigerator, isotherm, love it.
Isotherm. Got the deep sink here.
Whoa. Look at you, man.
It's a little messy right now. I need to clean.
You literally just woke up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some more Beetle Kill. Dude, you did great, man.
Thanks, man.
You're finished, man. Your finished carpentry skills are getting better.
Thanks, man. A little bit.
By the way, guys, these are not his finished blinds.
No.
These are just temporary for him. But I will end this section of the vlog of you're selling this bad boy.
Yes, this is for sale.
You doing more? What's up?
Yeah, I got the black one coming up after this. It'll be a platform bed. I've got a design picked out in my head, but I'm probably gonna change it.
I mean, that's usually how it goes, right?
Yeah.
TV?
Yeah, TV.
You even said I've not used it, but it's okay.
Yeah, I don't watch TV. This is for the new owners.
Absolutely. And your signature
Yes.
down here.
I wanted all
Spanish tiles?
Spanish tiles, yeah.
Yeah.
I wanted all the luxuries of home, so the TV had to come.
Also, another signature Shane move is these cross members that are, you know, doing his thing. That's not a fan. That's a skylight.
Skylight, fan over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then nothing over here. Good.
Yeah. I wanted the skylight over here because it brings in light over the kitchen. Max air fan over your head while you sleep. Mercury mosaic tile.
And you also have it on this wall too.
Yep.
Guys, he did a great job. Hats off to Shane. Did a good job. Honestly, I obviously just wanted to show him because he's my boy. He's starting tomorrow. We are competitors, so we're kind of like at each other's throats. After Sunday, we're gonna be back to being best friends, so we're cool. I'm just kidding, guys. It's a friendly competition. I'm not gonna hate on anybody.
Yeah, the biggest deal is raising the roof.
That's gonna be done in 2 days, and you guys will see that on the Gutted channel, not on my channel, unfortunately. But they're raising the roof of the schoolie in a 5-day span, which is unheard of.
Yeah.
And then they're doing the rest of the build. Insulation, cabinetry, wiring, all that stuff that you have to do for a build, plus raising the roof. If you guys are gonna watch all that happen over a 5-day span, 16 hours per day, 7 people, it's gonna be ridiculous. Shane, you wanna say anything?
Stay tuned.
Well, yeah. You wanna say anything other than for Gutted stuff? Do you wanna say anything else?
Like subscribe, hit the button.
I mean, you don't have to say all that, but appreciate you, Nick. Swipe left. Swipe left. I had to think about that for a second. Swipe right for this guy, though. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute when I can maybe show off more of the Gutted stuff. Steffi actually was just asking me about my vlogging because she vlogs as well. And I told her I actually vlog when I do walking and talking stuff with a GoPro. And I use the 9 because it has a front-facing screen. And she wanted to see it. Do you want to show your vlogging camera?
Sure.
Might as well, guys, right? Steffi actually was filming the the stuff that I was not
doing
vlogging.
like a behind the scenes thing.
I was not. I'm a bad vlogger.
It's okay. They can tell your people come watch my.
You can go watch
They
hers.
can see his beautiful face in it too.
I'm in there, yeah. I don't know about beautiful, but thank you. You have a Sony, which I love.
Yeah, Sony ZV-1. They just came out like last year or the year before.
Does it have a front-facing screen?
It's got.
What?
It's very nice.
Thank you, Steffi. Well, I'm gonna go show you guys the rigs now. I think I've been saying that for the last like 10 minutes in this video. All right, guys, I wanted to show you one of the containers, which is full of Hart tools. Hart is the main sponsor for Gutted. And these are not only our whole tool shed, but it's also our wood supply. These guys right here from me, I'm gonna be using those specialty for the van. And you'll see that when the video of the van build comes out. Hart hooked it up. These are all Hart tools. Honestly, I'm kind of want to partner with them myself because this is ridiculous. I might be switching over to Hart. I have been looking for a new tool company. I said I have a surprise for you guys, but I'm going to be opening up a shop. I think I've already mentioned that in a couple other vlogs. I'll be very particular on clients, but by the way, guys, if I'm changing shirts throughout this video, it's because it's hot and I'm changing shirts out. So I might be wearing a couple different shirts and hats throughout the entire video. I know I told you guys I'd get you guys some footage of the rigs. We got so busy last night, couldn't do it. So it's 6:45, 6:50 in the morning. We're starting at 7 a.m. I figured I'd show you the rigs now. You guys doing some TikToks? They're doing.
Sam's making me dance for the first time in my life.
Okay.
They wanted influencers. You're getting the content.
All right. So here's our van. There it is. This is empty, day 1. We got 10 minutes before game time starts. I'm gonna just put the camera in the RV so you guys can see it's pretty empty and bare. I don't want to open their door because I don't want to be rude. Show you guys the bus. This is the shorty bus. They're about to do a lift on it. Show you guys the inside of it. Again, I don't want to open it because of what's going on. About to get this started. You want to say what's up? About 7 o'clock in the morning, my boy Dan here.
What's up?
Check out his podcast, which is
The Nomadic Outdoorsman.
The Nomadic Outdoorsman.
Wow. You're really good at like transitioning into plugs, man.
Guys, I'm cutting this right now. This is, oh, what's up? You want to say what's up?
Yo, what's up,
This
YouTube?
You're awake. I don't know how.
Yeah, man.
I went to bed late last night.
I'm pumped.
Here you go. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Day 3 of the Gutted event. I know I skipped a lot, but we've been working hard. 16-hour days the last 2 days, and it's now 7 o'clock in the morning. I'll just show you the van real quick. Hey guys.
Yeah, what's up?
And you're falling.
Morning.
Brandon and Lene are behind me.
Good morning.
And I'm gonna end the vlog here because I am not vlogging anymore. Hey guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed the 1-minute teaser clip my buddy Scott put together. It's actually pretty cool. It gives you guys a rundown of what Gutted is or was. It's been about a week actually since Gutted ended. I needed that amount of time to recover. Gutted was a phenomenal event. I'm now sitting in the van that I'm about to convert or start the conversion on, a 2005 Ford Econoline. That's a low top, so that's going to be exciting because I've never done a low top before. I've done 2 high tops and a Jeep, and I've worked on several others. Buttoning up the Gutted, extravaganza. I didn't show really much of the Gutted event, mostly because I wanted you guys to watch it on YouTube when it comes out. And also the Jump, which is a new app or whatever it is. It's called the Jump app. From what I'm told, this is how the format's going to play out. The first 4 episodes are going to be free on YouTube, and then the last episode, which where the winner of Gutted is going to be announced, will be on the Jump app. I highly, highly recommend you guys watching this. I think Gutted is going to be not just this year, but a huge event moving forward. In my opinion, it was a complete success. I can't wait to watch the footage. I talked to the producers after day 1. I talk to them every day, but after day 1, they told me they had 19 hours of footage they had to go over just in one day. So you multiply that by 5, that is a ton of footage you have to go through, put together, and they're making, I think, only 40-minute episodes. So they're taking 19 hours of footage and putting that in a 40-minute episode, which is crazy to me. We actually signed documents saying that we can't, share any winners of who won, which team won. We can't show finished photos. When is it coming out, which is another huge question. It's probably going to be right around mid-November. Maybe early December. Some are even saying January, but I really think they're going to work hard to get that footage out or edit it as quickly as possible. And you guys, I will keep you up to date on all of that when it's coming out. I'll probably do another video about Gutted. Why didn't I film that much? Because I was working 16-hour days. It's so hard to build a van in 5 days, or any rig in 5 days, let alone try to pick up a camera and do footage or do work. And I think it's better off this way anyways. So I do apologize for not doing any vlogging at Gutted. Again, I was super duper focused on bringing my A game to that build to try and win the competition as best that I can. Again, I'm not going to announce who won, but I wanted to bring my A game not only for me and my teammates, but also for Speak Up for Lee, which, if you don't know that whole story, you can look it up. Auctioning off the van, and the proceeds of the van are going to Speak Up for Lee and to her family. So that was a big thing I know for me and the rest of my team. Again, I wanted to focus on that. Video coming up next week is going to be the pre-installation and what you should be doing for it. I'm gonna do a little test for everybody, and I actually have like a thermal gun, and I'll show you why this stuff right here is so important. It's good for sound deadening. Yes, it's kill mat, by the way. It's good for sound deadening, but I'm gonna actually show you what I use it for and a lot of the pro builders use it for, which they don't share you those secrets. I'm also gonna test it up against this stuff, which everybody loves, but I'm not the biggest fan of. Let's see if it'll prove me wrong with that thermal gun. And then this stuff is what I'm a huge fan of, which is Frost King. You can actually buy it at your local hardware store. You can buy this at your local hardware store. This stuff, I believe you have to order special on the interwebs. I am going to give you a severe rundown of this entire van build. I am moving to a different city. I've already rented shop space. What? I am leaving Las Vegas. Isn't that a movie? I'm leaving Las Vegas and I am moving to back to a city which I've already lived in. I have a crap ton of connections there. I'm going back to Portland, which I'm super excited about, and I've even rented shop space. I'm gonna convert this. I'm gonna work on some more woodworking projects. I'm gonna team up with Total Boat again and do some more epoxy resin work. Hope you enjoyed the very, very little footage I gave you from Gutted. But man, I'm super excited about that. And then obviously I'm excited about this van behind me. Maybe traveling it a little bit and then maybe do another one and then a tiny home and then a container home. All of that good jazz coming up. Hopefully I can get this video out, and then I'm going to Overland Expo, which is out in Arizona. I'm so excited to actually go see some vendors, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. Okay, see you guys next time. Later.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night, if I can make it, if